Huh? Gaya. Hi guys, I'm Prasen.
I'm Shubhankar.
And I'm Alan. And we are gonna light into space. Introduction. Today we are gonna talk whether we can bend the light passing it through flowing water in space.
We know that water flowing in space takes the form of spheres. So will the light get trapped in the water sphere?
As you can see in the picture, we can bend light on the earth. Hypothesis. According to us, the light will not get trapped in the spheres.
The explanation for this is that light travels in a straight line and the bending of light is just an illusion.
And we know that light cannot be trapped in any medium. Method. We can set the apparatus as shown in the following diagram.
It requires
A laser pointer, a stand for a laser pointer, a rubber band, clear empty soda bottle with cap, water, milk, permanent marker, metal skewer, flame, masking tape and a sink.
fill the bottle with water and put a few drops of milk in it to make it slightly cloudy. You can also try mixing in a little powdered milk or cornstarch.
Wrap the rubber band around the laser pointer so it's pressing the on button continuously. Set up the laser pointer so it is lying horizontally about 3 or 4 inches from the surface of the counter. Put it next to the bottle and adjust until you see the line of light passing through the milky water.
With the marker, mark a dot where the light beam touches the far side of the bottle. Pour out all the water.
Heat the metal skewer in the flame until it's very hot. Use the tip to melt a small hole in the soda bottle at the dot. Cover the hole with a piece of masking tape. Fill the bottle with milky water. Put the cap on tight.
Place the bottle on the counter next to the sink. Set up the laser pointer so it is aimed through the bottle at the hole. Take the tape off and see if the light hits the hole.
When everything's arranged, loosen the cap until you get a sphere of water floating. Adjust the laser pointer or walk around the bottle until you can see the light is curved in the stream of water. Expected results.
The expected result is that we will not be able to see the light trapped in the water spheres.
But we may be able to see the light traveling out of the bottle through the spheres. Thanks for watching guys and remember, work for zero G.